So, where you gonna park?
It's my usual.
Where's your usual?
Don't matter.
Okay. You see that front splitter?
What's that?
You see this? That part?
Yeah.
When it come home, can you make sure it's still on there?
I'll try.
You gonna try? Yeah.
If it's got to be all this, you know I could drive my car. Right?
No, it needs to be driven.
Huh?
It needs to be driven. I don't think I done drove it in like a week. I just don't need you to. You can always drive that one too. Ooh. I know that scared her. Oh. I'm sure the neighbors are loving this. Ooh. Hi, y'all. Hi, y'all. This is going to be challenging for her. Okay, so far so good. But you gotta be careful about this front tire because it's gonna scrub. Oh shit. Now, who else does this? When somebody drives their car, they run around to the front. Am I the only one? Let's see. Okay, so I told her to drive around the front. I can't help it, y'all. I'm an idiot. I like my car. And I don't get to see it often from this angle. So we're gonna record it. Okay. Oh my God, that bitch is so clean. Man, my car is so loud. I love it. This your boy. Like, comment, and subscribe.